Debouncing. Debouncing is the process of removing unwanted input noise from buttons or other user inputs. It is useful when we want to prevent extra activations or slow functions from triggering too often. In other words, the primary goal of debouncing is to ensure that a function is only called once a series of rapid fire calls. In even simpler terms, debouncing is to prevent someone from bouncing back immediately unless their legs are tied with a rope. In JavaScript, debouncing is used to avoiding unnecessary API calls, improving performance, and limiting the rate at which a function gets invoked. Let's see how it works in JavaScript. When we call a function using debouncing, the debouncing function will create a timer. If the function is called again within the time, the existing function will be cancelled and a new timer will be set. If the function is not called again within the time period, the timer will expire and the function will finally execute. This was debouncing. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.